In about 3 months, they count you as a significant part of the team, and they start giving you work which any other employee who's been there for maybe 2 years is also doing. So you grow very, very quickly. And I think the amount of experience and the amount of knowledge I've gained in these 11 months, I would have probably gained that in over 2 years at some other company. It's that fast paced. I would say if you have an offer in hand before you graduate and you are sure of taking that, then you can choose an OPT start date of something close to your graduation date after obviously taking a vacation, because you don't get much of that afterwards. Quite a few times it happens that you get an interview call at the very end, and if it's just for a specific team or if they are looking for people with your specific skill set, it can work out too. So keep your options open, but don't cut it too close. Amazon puts in an application for every employee unless they are specifically told not to. So they are pretty open. It's completely lottery based and it's all luck. Process is a little complicated, but you can definitely work with both the companies involved, their lawyers, and move your H1B to another company. It can be done, yes. So usually, every individual employee's performance is evaluated at the end of the year. But if during that 1 year, if the manager feels that someone is not performing at par to the expectation from their role, their specific role, then they can either push the employee a little bit and then wait, otherwise put them on the PIP directly. There is a number that they have to reach in terms of the strength of a particular organization, a sub org within the company. Then there's a lot of people who go on the PIP. So I definitely want to stay here till I'm like 45 or 50, but I wouldn't settle here. Um, when I do retire, maybe say at 55 or 60, whenever I do retire, I will definitely come back home. Work-life balance is better in the US, and that the, no one has an expectation for you to work on weekends or after 5 p.m. Even. So that's one difference that I have noticed between my work life and my friends back home. Um, and also, I guess you get paid more for the amount that you are, for the time that you are putting in, and it's just you're earning in a different currency. So I guess that's one difference.